Yo, what's clacking everybody? It's your boy Zay Clack. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can loose lace your Air Max 1s to make them look fire. So let's get it. So real quickly, before you start lacing, you want to make sure that your lace tips are even. So as you can see, this side is longer than the other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull like this way and then tug this way on the other side. Now the lace tips are even. Whatever the side is on the inside, you're going to basically take that lace. And what I like to do is I like to run it through my fingers, kind of creating a loop so that my laces stay flat. And I'm gonna start from the inside and push it outside and then pull through. And as I pull, I'm gonna pinch the lace with my thumb so that the laces stay flat and they don't twist up. Basically doing the same thing now on the right side. I'm gonna take the lace tip, push it through. And as I pull, I'm gonna make sure that I'm pinching the string so that the laces don't twist up. Now you basically repeat this process all the way up until the top, but I'll show you what we do with this. All right guys, so I'm at the 4th lace hole. As you can see, I've laced it all the way up until the 4th lace hole. Now you'll notice that the Air Max 1s, they have a little bit of a loop in the tongue. What I do is I skip over it, so I don't even touch this. I just repeat the process as normal. And the reason why is because if I put it through and then I loose lace it, the end result kind of looks weird because just how the loose lace is and then the loop, it kind of creates like a weird look. So I don't like how it ends up looking. Alright guys, so now I've finished lacing up all of the lace holes up until this point. We're right before the very last eyelet, which is where we do the loose lace. So real quickly, I just want to make sure that my lace tips are even. This side is a tiny bit longer than the other, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna pull on the laces until I can kind of get it to look even. There we go. So now they look pretty even. Once again, starting with the inside lace, I'm gonna take it again, same as before, but this time I'm not gonna pull all the way through. I'm gonna put it through the first hole right here, and I'm gonna leave just a little bit out. So this is about like an inch and a half, and you'll see that I create a loop. But we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, just leaving an inch and a half hanging out. And now we have this excess lace right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna distribute this excess lace throughout the rest of the shoe. So how we do this is we basically take the next set of laces, the one right below it, and we're gonna pinch and then pull this way. So we're gonna pinch and pull this way. And as you can see, what it does is it takes the loop before it and it makes it tighter. And then we're gonna repeat that process going down all the way throughout the shoe. And then I like to take my thumbs when I get to the bottom. After I do it to all of them, I take my thumbs and I spread it, kind of widening the shoe as I go. And then now I'm gonna do the opposite. So I'm gonna go up the shoe, pinching inwards. And what that does is it takes the one below it and it tightens it. And there you go. Now you've loose laced your Air Max 1s. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's tutorial. If you found it useful, I have a ton of other tutorials on my channel, specifically on how to loose lace your shoes. I have Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s, I have Vans. My most recent one was on Air Forces, which you can see up there. So yeah, if you're interested in any of those, please check them out. I'll leave them linked in the video, in the description, as well as in the side cards or whatever. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm trying to get my channel to 5K subs by the end of the year. And if you could help me get there, I'd really appreciate it. With all that being said, remember, have a blessed day and stay clacking. Peace.
Perfect.